ka jingalang jong chief executive member ka than chatai lami ngi kabla long minta ka sngi ka pratrik naitung ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong kala shim da ka we ka rai ban pinsngo ye ka jing e jong ki shaka sarkar pedeng hapo kalama ja ka forum of councils on the 6th schedule hakani ka jingalang kabla long ningkong du ki palawani shimenta ki kinthop ya ka Bodo Territorial Council, North Kachar Hill District Council na Assam, Lai Mara bat Chakma District Councils na Mizoram, GHDC bat GHDC na Meghalaya. Habe ekran bat kilat pathai kubor hadin balawai ke jingalang u chief executive member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ba Pinchngan NCM ulaong ba ka jingalang kalai ekran sani bha halor ka jingbom pan jingmot lang ka Ministry of Home Affairs na ki Autonomous District Councils kani ka than hachwa ban thaw ka 6th schedule jong ka constitution u CM ka GHDC ulaong baka jingalang kala rai ru ban kentu ka sarkar pedeng ban danno da ka ministry ka bakarpang nakabenta ki Autonomous District Councils kani ka than uba CM ulai thu ru ba ki la shime ka rai ban panching penchai na ka Ministry of Home Affairs habe ye day ba ka kendon 14A jong ka draft amendment badru halor ka para 12A jong ka 6th schedule ka ba day ban nomdon show ha ka constitution.
The meeting today we also raise our question regarding that. Till now, when this final draft comes from the Ministry of Home Affairs, no suggestion has been seeking from the respective Autonomous District Council. In fact, this final draft amendment bill that has been drafted by the Home Ministry, they should have been asked and seek some suggestion from the District Council at the same time to include or incorporate in the draft amendment bill. Our meeting today also decide to request the central government to have a separate ministry for all the Autonomous District Council on the district schedule. We also discussed today and decide today that the Ministry of Home Affairs, they should constitute a committee for the draft amendment of the 6th schedule. At the same time, to include representatives from different district councils in the northeast in this committee, so that our view will be kept into confidence. At the same time, we also discussed that the government should adopt a system of direct funding to all the Autonomous District Council. Discussed today that for the paragraph 12A that is applied in the District Council of Meghalaya, we are also resolved that to request the central government to the Home Ministry to remove this paragraph 12A. In regards with this article 280 that the Home Ministry has included in the draft, that we also will enjoy the funding from the central government under the article 280. This has been accepted by us, but some communities will need some more clarification from the central government. At the same time, we will give some suggestions on this issue. Or at the same time, because Lai, Mara and Chakma, they are not autonomous body. They are meeting today resolved that the central government, so Home Ministry, should be included in this amendment as autonomous district councils. Then also we come to after we discuss all the issue regarding the amendment of the 6th schedule, we feel very sad to see that during this 14th Finance Commission recommendation of the panel, they have not allocated any fund from the Article 280, which is under the central government. We will have as one memorandum from all the ADC in the Northeast and to meet the Minister of Finance, so that we could at least finance be projected at par with the already projected during the 13 Finance Commissions. So we also have a unanimous decision today to constitute one forum of all the ADCs in the other 6th schedule area, that's known as Forum of Councils on the 6th schedule. What we in short we say focus.